Dirty P here and Draco Dave. We got not one, but two identical 22LRs that David had when he was little. We're going to test them out. They are by Interarms for Virginia. Very good arms maker. And Dave's going to show us how to do it. So let's get her done.
Alright, here's how we load it. You first make sure it is fully unloaded always. Take the tube, pull the rod, stick it in through this slot here. You put 10 shells.
There's a little hole in there you stick the shells in.
Shell, tiny
shells, 22s. They go in primer first.
You can also get speed loaders that drop it in real quick. And drop it in through the top, which I will purchase, and I will show y'all when I buy it how easy it is.
And bullet number 10. And the rod goes back in there.
Just like any normal gun.
Then you arm it.
Bullet in chamber.
And it should be ready.
I feel like
I feel like you're 6 again, right?
Watch this, Dad. Pow!
We're going after the wampums here. Oh, those are nice. Notice how the bullet ejects at the top. Look at that. It's hammer. Hammer moves, bullet comes out. That is sweet.